Let's now focus on Tamil Nadu, where there's been a spike in cases and it's a new high with 2,710 people testing positive over the last 24 hours. Let's go across to Sam Daniel for more on that. And Sam, Chennai and adjoining areas are under a lockdown, now a lockdown in Madurai as well, but clearly a worry for administration as the numbers are increasing every day.
Absolutely, it's a big worry, and the numbers yesterday has certainly come as a huge shock. It's very close to 3,000 mark. For the sixth day, the numbers have crossed 2,000 consecutively, Gargi. Of course, officials blame it on the ramped up testing, and they have no problem in accepting that. It shows because it is there on the ground. And they attribute, besides ramped up testing, also to the fact that the urban clusters, 6 of them in northern part of Chennai, largely attribute for more numbers. These are people living in cramped houses along narrow lanes where around 15% of people, they say, do not follow social distancing and wearing of masks. But now in a revision of strategy, they have started hundreds of fever clinics across the city to enable people to come and test for fever, cold, cough and other issues so that more people can be tested. And those who come to give samples to labs, they're also put on isolation, under quarantine along with their family members. And whenever someone tests positive, the family is completely moved, shifted to a place called facility quarantine centers, newly launched now, so that people living in cramped houses don't run the risk of spreading it further to other family members or to other neighbors in that area. And all this, they hope, will show in terms of decline in numbers after 2 or 3 weeks after this lockdown is over. Right now, the lockdown is still the 30th, and they hope the numbers would be reflecting later. But the health minister has said not to panic because of the numbers, saying that the mortality rate is lower, around 1%, and the recovery rate is around 55%, which they claim to be the highest. The mortality rate is something to worry about. Although it's only around 1%, it has incrementally risen from 0.6% to 1.2% now, and that's something leading to worry. But the government says it's all under control, and people ought to ensure, cooperate, and adhering to all the corona or COVID norms put in place at the moment. Gargi.
Right, Sam. So ramped up testing obviously leading to more cases being detected, but that's what we need if we have to fight this pandemic. Thanks so much for joining us with the latest developments there.